Hello everyone, welcome to the Hardware Research channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the host name on the TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the admin page. To do that, you need to connect to your router and then go to the IP address of your router. So by default it's 192.168.0.1. This is what it looks like. And then we're gonna go to the before you do that, you might be logged out. So if you are logged out, go to the default password and login are admin and admin. So this is what it should look like. So let's log in. Then we're gonna go to the home page. We go to the home network settings, and here you have host name. So we're gonna press on this little edit icon right here, and here you can change the name of the host. So just change it to whatever you want, and once you've done that, press the check mark, and your options will be saved. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.